At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, a man suspected to be involved in the attack on Sentence Bay Mayor Michael Belnavis is now in custody under police guard. The man was found with a bullet wound to the chest a short distance from the mayor's house in St. Mary. He reportedly declined to tell the police who shot him. Hey, my wisdom warriors, yeah? All right, the mayor, the JLP mayor, go to the hospital and him no want call no name. And him no want tell nobody how chop him up. Then my wisdom warriors, come close there. Then between me and Uno, this sound like a love triangle gone bad. Because, talk short, this come like when you have your girlfriend or you have your boyfriend and then kick off and them war, and things go down. They don't want to tell the police how do it or what's not. It sound like I saw it go for true, Everybody attack. Mighty God of Daniel, me hear from the grapevine. Me people, between me and Uno, me hear from the grapevine. It is alleged I am lover do it. I am lover. No sir. Una hear them a bangarang ya? Una hear them a bangarang ya? Pana mayor name. It is alleged I am lover do it. My wisdom warriors, we have to try the case, We have to try the case. So if the lover, if it is alleged, if the lover get shot in him chest, my wisdom warriors, him no one call no name. And top of it, members say he was found short distance away from the mayor house. And the mayor him have chop wounds. And him no one talk either. What kind of hanky-panky business this? What kind of hanky-panky business is this? This make me really believe saying lover now, Because him no want call no name and the man no want call no name. And the man not easy, The man have, jeez, I wonder, Lord, I wonder how it go. I wonder what really happened. And look how some people out here that talk and I say, if he not have firearm. And he not say nothing about it. That's why you see him. Then terrible, Then terrible, my wisdom warriors. Because everybody did I say he must have firearm. He's a mayor. He's supposed to have firearm. And look there now. No, sir, something not right. Something in a something. Something deep is going on. Something deep is going on. Seriously, something really deep is going on. Mighty God. And me hear say the wounds them not bad like you hear the news I talk about chop wounds and one bag or something. Me hear say not that bad. So me hear. I'm not sure. Me not there. Me just have to tell the people them business. You understand me? Right this so. So me hear say the wounds them not that bad. But the man have gunshot wounds to his chest. You understand me? And nobody no want talk. Might as well the police then leave him alone. Might as well the police let go the man. Leave the man alone. The man no want talk who shoot him. And the mayor no want talk who. So just let go the man. Seriously. Just let go the man. Just let go the man. Because me no so na arrest the mayor. Mayor him no want talk. Mayor no want talk for him boyfriend. Me people sorry. No, me did have to laugh out that one day. Me did have to laugh. No, say no. Sometimes me not really want to laugh, It is sad, my people. It is a sad situation. You understand? You have chop wounds and stuff like that. Well, them did say it is not severe. You get me? So only hope him recover. The man now will have the gunshot wounds in him chest. I hope him recover. I hope him recover. Because according to the paper, in him chest, him get the shot. You understand? So I hope he recovered. But on a serious note, boy, I don't know what you think. It just seems to me like a love triangle gone bad. That it seems to me. And people is talking. People is out here talking, my wisdom warriors. You understand me? Them saying lover. People will mix and mingle with them is out here talking about it. It's just the truth. You see Uno Fishini in the Jamaica Labour Party. Uno Fishini. You see Uno has something else. Every day you get up and talk about Mark Golden. No wonder why. Hey, we never see smoke without fire, you know. No wonder why Andrew Wellness signed the Samoa agreement. No wonder why. And the dirty kill labor right there, you know. Say Andrew Wellness signed the Samoa agreement. And I hide it. Show them shame like a dog. Show them shame. No, sir. Why? Something not right. But if them no want talk, it's up to them. I feel them business. Might as well the police let go the man and make sure that the man, you understand, get good take care of the hospital, because mayor no want talk and the man no want talk. So just leave them alone. Simple. Anyway, my people, hear this. The Department of Correctional Service, DCS, has confirmed that it's in receipt of legal documents representing a claim by 16 inmates housed at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston. Leader of the St. Catherine-based Klansman gang, Tasha Miller, is among the inmates suing the government over poor conditions at the facility. They claim their constitutional rights have been breached following the imposition of a no-visit day rule in November 2024 without notification to them or their families. Very well. Tasha Miller, very well. Me like it. You can't see you're no fool, boy. As bad as things may be, you can't see you're no fool. Because guess what? Andrew Wellness is out here not following the Constitution. We all know that. We all know the amount of break Andrew Wellness break and breach the law. This man break the Constitution over and over, and everybody think it's okay. If you break the rules, you know, prison are going on. If the Jamaican citizen break the rules, straight prison. So why when them break the rules, them not go to prison too? That me would I like for know, you know. That me would I like for know. This is why me can't stand the labor right them. Me I tell you no. Because the labor right they know these things and still a defend a criminal. They know these things, you know, and still a defend Andrew Wellness. It is unacceptable. You can't treat people like that. Not because people they are prison. You have to follow rules and regulations. You have to follow rules and regulations. And I don't blame Tasha Miller. Do the right thing. Yes, me like it. It is a good look. My wisdom warriors, I'm going to bring you straight in America. I just want to highlight something because maybe some people watch my channel when I have no documents. You understand? Or maybe you don't even know people that is undocumented. So, officers enforcing immigration laws will now be able to arrest migrants at sensitive locations like schools and churches after the Trump administration threw out policies limiting where those arrests could happen. The move reverses guidance that for over a decade has restricted two key federal immigration agencies, Immigration and Custom Enforcement and Customs and Border Protection, from carrying out immigration enforcement in sensitive locations. So, you know, say ICE, you know, ICE out here, no, hey, ICE not easy, you know. Me say ICE, no, where the immigrants then, you know. Me box cover. When me say immigrants, me talk the illegal ones, them. Yeah, ICE know what one. ICE know say they in a school. ICE know say they at church. Box cover. You know what? When I have to try to see if you can sort out on yourself. To all the people them were undocumented, or if you don't know somebody that is undocumented, please may I beg you to try to sort out on yourself, because this is getting serious. Don't just sit and wait and say it a go change. You know, it is what it is. So we have to just get the ball rolling. Understand? So no just try and see what you can do on a serious note. But hear more of this. The CEO of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, removes transgender and non-binary themes from Meta's Messenger. Only hear that? So them out here, my wisdom warriors, and listen, everything is shifting now. Things is shifting out here. You can see that. Things is shifting. Things are changed. Because look now, who would ever think they would have removed them rainbow sign? So see it now? Because members say Donald Trump say only 2 gender alone him want in America. Male and female. You understand? Only 2 gender alone. So you know say him serious in a depend where them depend. From a long time him talk about these things. From a long time Donald Trump talk about these things. Boy, you know, look good at all for some people, seriously. Just to let you guys know that within hours of President Donald Trump's inauguration, the new administration took down the Spanish language version of the official White House website. When you hear that, Trump administration shuts down White House Spanish language page. The page cannot be found. Box cover. So, when a prime minister or a president go in power, see say they can do things straight away. Them not have to wait until another 9 years before they start fix road. See that, my wisdom warriors? Okay. Last but not least, Executive Director of Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ, Michael Jackson, is intensifying the call for members of the security forces to use body-worn cameras as they go about their duties. Speaking on the JFJ produced program Let's Talk Justice on Nationwide 90 FM on Monday, Jackson called for legislative changes to ensure the mandatory use of body-worn cameras. She made the call following a comment from Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake that calls for a reduction in police fatal shootings or misplaced. My wisdom warriors, remember say, other day me talk about this, you know. Other day me talk about this, you know. The man, the police commissioner, is not no police commissioner. He's heartless. He's not a good man. Maybe he's a good man, like to people who he knows, but he's certainly not a good individual to us, the Jamaican people. He's not good to we at all. And we are calling on the resignation of Kevin Blake, the police commissioner. He needs to go. He needs to go, because if him can sit down with him team and talk to them about reducing crime and stop kill off the citizen them, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. What kind of police commissioner are you? Unu is a wicked set of drunk. Unu wicked. Unu no care about the people. Unu out here kill off the citizen and go on like a gunman. No for unu. That unu do. Unu police officer. Unu for stop it. Unu too wicked. Unu too wicked. And you want to see the dirty labor right them underneath the comment section of going like the police them a do good. Just true they want Andrew Wallace look good. Unu fool, you know? Because enough of unu are dead, enough of unu family are dead out. And unu still out here defend Andrew Wallace. Unu fi have sense, brother. I want him to unu, man. Unu fi have sense. Unu fi pick sense out of nonsense. No, sir, boy, me not get it. Me not get it. All the JFJ want is the police to wear them body cam at all time. And the citizen want it too. So uno say uno work for the citizen. But when we ask for things to be done, uno not do it. Uno do what uno like. And it is wrong. It is unacceptable. Uno need to stop it. Uno need to stop that. We want the police them to wear body cam. We, the citizen, every single one of we want uno the police officer to wear body cam. And uno no want to do it. And uno claim say uno work for we. This for sure uno say they are not working for us. They are not with us. They are not with us. And it's just the truth. They are not with us, my people. You understand? This is why me say all of uno for unite. Unite and have each other back, because the police they not have uno back. Uno no see. Uno no see. JFJ have uno back. Yeah, Jamaica for justice, a fight for the citizen. Yes, they are. But the police, they don't care because they're taking instruction from Horace Strong and Andrew Wellness. Horace Strong, in a 2004, he was involved in organized crime. And this a mania. This a, you know what? My wisdom warriors, I go catch uno in the next video. Like up the video for me, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. I want to run go over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Blessings upon blessings. One love.